Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a challenge, and the challenge is that we're gonna make a website in 1 hour. We're gonna use V0. We're gonna use a chat agent. Basically, it's like a chat GPT kind of stuff. We're gonna use CSS Peeper to check the styles and those kinds of stuff and the spaces. And we're also gonna use an AI agent IDE, which is called Windsurf. It's Windsurf Pro, so it's not the free version. So yeah, now you know. So yeah, if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, like, a comment if you want to see me make a 600 in 7 years. And yeah, let's set the timer. The timer will be going off right now. All right. All right, so we just found a website from Nice Page. Again, this is just for making website in 1 hour purposes. It's not anything crazy like that. But let's see if we can make this within within an hour. So yeah, the timer is we took 8 minutes, and now we're gonna expect all text and those kinds of stuff, and then we're gonna use probably v0 to index what's going on. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So we just started to use the CSS Peeper because I wanted to check the styles, but it's not really working. It has a lot of problems. So we decided to scratch that. We already made the navigation ready for this website, but yeah, I rather scratch this project rather than I'm going to do yeah um, do everything from scratch. It will take me a lot of time. So yeah, this one is gone. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this website. So yeah, link will probably be in the description. So now you know. All right, guys, we have a half hour left, and we still have not done anything. And the reason why is because of this. The peeper is just not working at all, and not sure why. Um, like a certain website it does work, a certain website it doesn't work, and it's extremely annoying. So I decided to go with an alternative with a Figma template. I only have a half hour left. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it, but yeah, let's try. See how it goes. All right, guys. So on the timer, we have 20 minutes left for making a website with AI. This is going to be really tough. Yeah, I wasted a lot of time on my plugin that was not working. So that was really unfortunate. So yeah, we chose a website, this one, and let's see how far we can come here. So yeah, let's see. All right, we just sent a proper, yeah, we just sent it, and let's see how it looks. It's making a navigation. I didn't ask to make it responsive, and the reason why is because we don't have that much time. We have like 16 minutes left. So yeah, let's see what it came up with. Alright, it does not look like anything at all what I liked. Um, so yeah, let's compare that actually. So this is the image that we had, and this is the image what we got. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna edit that now. So alright, so we gave it another try with the dragon image. Again, I'm not giving like um, proper proper prompts. So, but yeah, let's see if I can get anything on the screen, right? So, not sure how many I have left. Okay, let's see what I did. Okay, that's way better, right? That is way better. Okay. All right, it is done. We had a lot of trouble, but yeah, yeah. Let's first run the code. Obviously, we did not make. I'm not sure if I get anything on the screen. Source here JSX. Okay, because I don't have Lucid installed. Okay, I I think that's the problem. See, we also have to debug, so that's not good. Do you have something on the screen? No. Uh, okay. Also here, we have Lucid React gone. Um, yeah, so that doesn't not look too good. I have nothing on the screen, so yeah, challenge basically failed. Um, it doesn't give me even anything anymore, and that's because I'm probably using yeah, these components that doesn't exist. So let me remove that real quick then. Alright, so yeah, we kind of have something on screen. Uh, yeah, let's talk about it. So, at first we got stuck on the website. So I will give you an example. So for example, nice page. So what I wanted to do, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do something like this, and no problem. Um, we had everything set. One problem is that this plugin, does not work on this website, right? It's not working. Well, if I'm going on maybe this website, then suddenly it's working. So that is the issue. So at first, I thought it was my fault, right? I was like, okay, that wasn't working. But yeah, then we got stuck basically. And then we tried other websites, like 2 or 3 websites, and that cost me like a half hour. Then I decided, look, maybe I should get a Figma template, which also took like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then we had to go over the styles. So here I wrote down the styles. I'll show you on the screen, right? Like the navigation and what what the layout is, the styles and the colors and the text. And then I basically went on with V0 and tried to get something going. But we could not even copy everything what we did because there were 2 problems. The first problem is that it's using Next.js. So if you don't know, Next.js has its own um, inner components like image or link. But I started up a React.js because that was an easier way. I specifically said on top that I wanted to use React.js and Tailwind, but yeah, as you can see, it completely ignored me and just uses Next.js. Again, I did the styles. I told them like, hey, I want specifically wanted that styles, and it didn't use them at all at first. So on the second try, it did do that. So that's good. Then we had the social proof. Um, again, did not use the colors, while specifically said like, hey, we have the colors here. Please look above this conversation. So I would say V0, you're pretty much failing here because I also gave you a picture for reference again. Um, yeah. Then on the photo gallery, I told them like, hey, get 6 images and get here. This is like a button. Did not copy the button color. I think I don't need to say that. And the reason why I feel like that is because V0 knows how to figure it out, which it didn't. I specifically stated this is going to be an H4 and this one is going to be an H3. I also asked if it's going to use these styles. It did not do that. Also, it did grab some images from pixabay.com, but what it didn't do is that it too working, yeah, it just didn't work. Then, yeah, I obviously needed to use a component or a framework. I used Feed with React.js, but then I found out obviously it's using Next.js when I was copying. Um, so yeah, we got something on the screen with 2 mistakes. We had to remove some Next.js styling, but yeah, we have something on the screen. So this project, can I make a website in 1 hour, is huge fail. Don't do this. I don't recommend using V0 at all. So yeah, now you know. Let's maybe do one challenge, maybe one day later. But yeah, for now, this was a complete failure. And ReZero, for now, maybe it's because they upgraded their plans and they make this one really shit. Maybe I didn't use the like chatting right because you can actually can chat with this somehow. Not sure if it's working. Copy, download, add the code base. No idea how to add and comment here. It says nothing like that, only the chat. Yeah, it made mistakes, but yeah, it makes severe mistakes. So yeah, definitely would not. I don't want to disadvertise them, but yeah, come on now, right? Everything is free. Yeah. All right. So yeah, complete failure, and we wanted to do this one. Ended up doing this one from Figma. I asked specifically about this the social sections to just make up some from Pixabay. Completely ignored me to do that, which is really unfortunate. I thought maybe it's gonna make SVGs, but no. Alright, so I will end up the video here. I do not recommend this challenge using ReZero and CC Peeper. Absolutely trash. So yeah, see you later.